Our next HSC data analysis looks at the trend lines for subjects over time. So there's four trend lines that we're able to analyse. The first one is the school mean versus the state mean. So we can see here for this subject biology that if we look at school versus state mean, there has been a dip in that, and that can be for a number of reasons. The next thing that we really want to analyse this with is the achieved versus the typical. So this is really looks at those students as a cohort. So we can see that there's the decline, and we can also see here that there's the similar decline as well, which makes helps us answer some aspects of questions. The other data that we've also got is this subject versus all other subjects taken by the students. So that's an interesting figure there. And then we've also got the comparison of the school versus the state for the included students as well. If we have a look at through some other subjects, and there are some different trend lines. So we can see here with chemistry, we have an improvement here of a greater representation of the school mean versus the state mean, and we also have the students following in that in their achieved versus typical. And what we're trying to look for is we're trying to find subjects where they're going in the opposite directions. So if we have a look here in senior science here, the students, their performance there is above the state. But if we have there look at the achieve versus typical, these students actually didn't perform as well as they probably were predicted to perform based on their NAPLAN results. So what you could make the assumption here is that these students actually should have performed at a greater increase here above the school versus the state mean for this subject. You'll often find that stream subjects will have them going higher up in this direction and also within this direction. This one here really kind of looks at or helps us try and analyse the impact of the teacher in the classroom.